got a question here from Krishna. So, tips for Facebook video ad scripts in the e-com niche. How do I work with video, excuse me, how do I work with video editors to optimize the video itself? So I guess it's two questions. The first is any tips for writing Facebook video ad scripts? And the second question is how do I take that script and work with an editor to turn it into a video that sells, converts, and also, you know, gets the brand across?
Yeah, I'll let Sabah maybe share some of that. I don't actually think it's just one question because he sort of says tips for Facebook video ad scripts, ecom niche, and they says like, how do I work with? So I think maybe that was like him clarifying the specific stuff around the Facebook ads, but either way, Sabah, I'll let you take that.
Sure. Yeah, so it depends if it's going to be sort of like a slideshow style video, you know, with text overlay on the images, or if it's going to be actual footage, you know, like B-roll, and you've got people talking. Depends how, you know, what the creative angle is. But whatever it is, I usually just storyboard it into like a grid. So I'll have any text that I need on the screen in one column, and then the actual scenes of what I want happening, you know, in that 3 or 5 seconds or whatever on the right. So the video editor, that's how video editors usually work, is they work off of storyboard grids, and they just know that, you know, the narrative or the text is on the left, and then on the right is the scene or the images. So you'll have to, basically you have to visualize how you want the scenes to play out, and then sort of map it out for the editor. It depends how good the editor is. Some of them will work off of just copy and use their own creative thinking, you know, to put together the presentation. But I usually just give them some direction. If you have like an image idea or any video clips or anything else that you want to include, then you would just map it out like that.
Nice. Good stuff, Sabah. Sweet. Krishna, hopefully that helps. Good. Awesome. I'm going to jump off a second because I'm kind of dying. I'm going to go like lay down. Brooks is co-host.
Yeah.
If anyone has any other questions, maybe let it run for a couple more minutes here, and then if not, we'll do another one next week. I'm not really dying, but I'm.
I know, very grim.
I'm just really excited to go get in
Rest.
like my bed and read a little bit and relax. So, yeah, Brooks, you should. I'll just make Brooks full on host.
Yeah. Thanks, buddy.
Yeah, no problem.
Thanks, Kevin.
Of course. All right, make host. Cool. All right, bye everyone.
See you, buddy.
Bye.
Bye, Stefan.
Bye.
Questions, let's go.
Yeah, now that the nice cop is gone, so
That's
we got
right.
bad cop.
We're gonna be real.
We got about. We'll do what? We'll give them like a few more minutes, but yeah, it's yeah, you know, not to toot our own horns, but you got some clever people here for sure. And then obviously when you have Stefan's feedback on your questions, I paid him a lot of money to answer my questions, a lot more than you guys paid to be in this program. So I hope the investment, just because it's super fair, doesn't, you know, lower the value that you perceive these calls at, because I think it's crazy that we talked him into doing this, and who knows how much longer. Not to play false scarcity or anything, but people stop coming on and stop asking questions, these calls are gonna stop happening. So if you find value in these calls, then I urge you to share that with the community as well, because I think we just kind of throw them up sometimes and we don't realize just how incredible of an asset. Like typically you're not getting a group coaching call or anything unless you're investing 3, 5, 10 grand. So this is like, between all the stuff that is in the course itself and then all the surrounding assets and how active he is in the Facebook group and we are in the Facebook group, you can really get a lot out of this. As I go through puberty again on the recording, excuse me. But yeah, totally. So that's just the truth. We love doing these, but obviously if there's no questions, we're going to, prioritize others.
Here they come.
Okay, good. We got one so far. Okay, great. We'll make it happen. So from Daniel, excuse me.